Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in Webflow. This is a fundamental skill for building interactive navigation on your website, allowing visitors to access multiple pages or sections from a single menu item. First, open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After signing in, look at the upper right corner of the page where you'll find a button labeled Plus New Site. Click on it to begin creating your new project. From the options that appear, select Blank Site. This gives you a clean canvas to work with. You'll then be prompted to enter your site's name. Type in whatever name you'd like to use for this project, then click Create Site to proceed. This will set up your workspace and bring you into the Webflow Designer interface. Now that you're in the Designer, direct your attention to the upper left panel. Here you'll see a plus icon. Click on this icon to open the Elements panel, which contains all the building blocks you can add to your site. In the search bar that appears, type Dropdown. This will filter the available elements and show you the Dropdown component. Once you see it, simply drag it onto your canvas where you want it positioned. Next, double-click the Dropdown element you just added. This allows you to edit the text directly. Type in your preferred name for the dropdown, whether that's Options, Menu, or any other label that fits your site's purpose. This text is what visitors will see before they interact with the menu. With the dropdown still selected, look over to the right panel where you'll find various styling options. Navigate to the Typography section and click on the Font selector. This will open up a drop-down menu displaying all available font styles. Browse through and select the font that matches your site's design aesthetic. After choosing your font, you'll want to adjust the size and height settings to ensure your drop-down text is properly readable and fits well within your design. Use the size slider or input field to make the text larger or smaller, and modify the line height to control the spacing between lines if needed. Finally, click on the color picker to select your preferred text color. This tool lets you choose any color that complements your site's color scheme, ensuring your drop-down menu is both functional and visually appealing. And that's it. You've successfully created a drop-down menu in Webflow that's customized to match your site's design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.